Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to add bots in your Discord server. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to use bots as moderation help or just as games, like Dank Memer or Poke2 like Pokemon. So for this tutorial, we can either type Discord bots or in my case, I'm gonna use a very easy bot to invite. So all you have to do is just tap on add to Discord and it's gonna send a link to this. Basically you're gonna have to sign in, but if you're already signed in, all you have to do is select a server you want to invite the bot in, and that's pretty much it. If you don't know any bots to invite, just type Discord bots. There's gonna be a link for bots for Discord. There are also tags. You can choose any of these. Music, which plays music for you in the voice channel. Fun, like games, and economy. And there are just so many bots you can use. So I hope this was helpful. If you think this video was fun, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.